morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. In today's video, I'll share some daily practice worksheets. This can be used for kids from 4 to 6 year old. First worksheet is to practice color names. I've given here some sentences. Kid has to read that sentence and choose the right colors. The first sentence is the sun is, so which is the color name? The sun is orange. The moon is white, so he has to write color name white here. The sky is blue. The tree is green. The chalk is white. Your hair is black. Lemon is yellow. Apples are red. You can customize this worksheet according to the age of your kid. If your kid is around 4-year-old, then you can read the sentence to him and he can choose the color from this option. If your kid is above 5 or around 6-year-old, then you don't have to give this option. So what kid has to do? He has to read the sentence and he has to write the correct color name. So for example, he has to write the sun is orange. So this option you should not give him. If your kid is around 3.5-year-old, you can draw the picture of sun and you can ask them to color it. This can be a coloring activity for small kids. Let's move on to the next worksheet. Here I have given some colors. Now kid has to write the right spelling of each colors. The first one it is brown. So he has to write R and N. Next one it is blue. So he has to write U and E. Next color it is red. So he has to write E. Next one it is green. So he has to write the spelling. Next one it is yellow. Last one it is pink. So I and K. For kids, you don't have to ask them to write the spelling. You just show them these colors and ask them to say it. So the first color is brown. The second one is blue. The third one is red. This one is green, yellow and pink. So this is how you can use the same worksheet for different age groups. Next question is, how many colors are there in a rainbow? Draw a rainbow. If your kid is around 3.5 to 4-year-old, you just have to tell them there are 7 colors in a rainbow. You can also ask them to draw a rainbow and color it. If your kid is around 5.5 to 6-year-old, then teach them this word picture and teach them all the colors in the rainbow. And the first question, how many colors are there in a rainbow? He can write it in a sentence. He can write it, there are 7 colors in a rainbow. For a 6-year-old, he should be able to write the whole sentence. Next worksheet is to practice time. Here I have drawn some clocks. Now kid has to look at the time and has to write the time in 2 ways. First he has to write like this, and in the second time he has to write this in a digital format. That is 3, 2 dots and zeros. Next he has to write 9 o'clock and in digital format as well. Rest he has to do it in the same way. Here I have drawn a clock and written the name below. Now kid has to mark the time on this clock. So it is 7 o'clock. Small hand will be at 7 and the big hand will be at 12. Worksheet is to practice sight words. I have given here some sight words. Now kid has to find the number of sight words and write it in the box. The first one is the, so he has to find it and write how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So he has to write the number here. The second one it is. So he has to find how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So he has to write the number here. Rest of the worksheet also you can do it in the same manner. Let's move on to the next worksheet. This is also to practice sight words. I have given here some sight words and some sentences. So he has to choose the correct sight word. Put blank ball down. Put, which sight word he should use? Put the ball down. Do you, which one we can use? Do you see it? You blank have it. You can have it. Where are we going? I like school. Next worksheet, this is for reading. So I have given here 3 sentences. It is for reading comprehension. When you start with an activity like this, please give them only 2 or 3 sentences. Don't give them a whole paragraph because kids will feel overwhelmed. So let us start with the 3 sentence. Now kid has to read the sentence and he has to fill in the blanks. So the sentence is, Pat can see a bee. The bee is on the hat. The hat is red. Now he has to answer this question. The hat is red. So he has to write red here. Pat can see a bee. So he has to write bee here. The bee is on the, where is the bee? The bee is on the hat. This type of activity will help us to understand whether kids are able to comprehend what they are reading. That's all for today's video. I hope you like this video and find it useful to teach your kids at home. Please share your feedbacks on the comment box below, and if you have any suggestions on any topics that you want me to do, please let me know. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it. See you all again with another video. Thanks for watching.